Hello everyone. In this video, we are solve this interesting maths Olympiad question. This question is 7 over x plus 8 over y is equal to 9. We'll find out what is the value of x and y in this maths Olympiad question. But here is x and y is positive integer. So let's start. Our question is 7 over x plus 8 over y is equal to 9. I multiply both sides by xy. So xy times 7 over x plus 8 over y is equal to 9 times xy. I multiply both sides by xy. Then I can say this expression, it will be xy times 7 over x plus xy times 8 over y is equal to 9xy. So okay, now at this moment you can see easily this x is cancelled. We'll find out 7 times y, it will be 7y. So I can see that it will be 7y plus, and this y cancel, 8 times x, it will be 8x is equal to 9xy. Then at this moment you can see easily here is 9xy minus 7y and minus 8x is equal to 0. Now in this expression you can see easily here is 9y, here is 9xy, so I take here is 9y is common, so 9y, so this divide this, it will be x, and this divide this, y cancel, we'll find out 7 over 9, and here is minus 8x is equal to 0. Now at this moment I can see easily we'll find out here is 9y times x minus 7 over 9, and here is minus 8x. I add both sides plus 56 over 9, and here 56 over 9. Because of that we need this here is 7 over 9. Now at this moment I can see easily here is 9y x minus 7 over 9, and here is minus 8 is common, so this divide this, it will be x, plus minus it will be negative, and it will be 7 over 9 is equal to 56 over 9. This divide this, it will be 7 over 9. Then you can see easily here is 7 over 9 is common, this and this factor is same, so I can see easily here is x minus 7 over 9 is common, so this divide this, it will be 9y, this divide this, it will be 8 is equal to 56 over 9. So okay, now at this moment you can see easily here is x minus 7 over 9, but here is 9, so I multiply both sides by 9, so 9x minus 7 over 9 times 9y minus 8 is equal to 56 over 9 times 9. Then I can see easily this time this, it will be 9x minus this time this, 9 cancel, we'll find out here is 7, and it will be 9y minus 8 is equal to 9 cancel, we'll find out 56. So it is a wonderful equation. We'll find out 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 8 is equal to 56. Now we'll find out the factor. So here is 56. First of all, I can say 56, it will be 1 times 56. Then I can say others factor, it will be 56 times 1. Then I can say it will be 2 times 28, or 28 times 2. So we'll find out here is a factor, this is factor, and I can see easily others factor, it will be 4 times 14, it is also 56. And I can say here 14 times 4, and others factor I can say that 7 times 8, it is also 56, or 8 times 7. So we'll find out here is beautiful factor. So let's start. I can see easily here is 1 case, 2 case, 3 case, 4 case. Okay, so at this moment I can see easily here is, look, first of all, if I take this factor, this, so it will be 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 7 is equal to 1 times 56. In other case, I can see easily 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 7 is equal to 56 times 1. Okay, now at this moment I can say this is equal to 1, 9x minus 7 is equal to 1, and here I can say 9y minus 7 is equal to 56. So at this moment I can say easily here is 9x, so 9x 1 plus 7, it will be 8. So if I divide both sides by 9, x is equal to 8 over 9. So it is not an integer. We know that x and y is a positive integer. It is a fraction. So it is not possible. It is not possible. It is rejected. And in this expression, you can see easily here is 9x minus 7 is equal to 56. And it will be 9y minus 7 is equal to 1. Then in this expression 9x is equal to 63. Because of that, I can see easily here is 56 plus 7, it will be 63. Then if I divide both sides 9, I can see easily x is equal to 7. 7 times 9, it will be 63. And here 9y is equal to, look, 1 plus 7. Sorry, it is not 7, it is 8. It is 8. Okay. This is 8. Now here is 8 plus 1, it will be 9. So you can see easily 9, if I divide both sides by 9, we will find out y is equal to 1. So it is real answer. Because of that, here is no fraction. So x and y, it will be 7 and 1. This is our answer. But we will find out here is 4 case. First case, second case, and third and fourth case. Okay, now others case we will find out here is 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 8, it will be 2 times 28. Okay, 2 times 28. And others case we will find out here is 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 8, it will be 28 times 2. Okay, now at this moment I can say this is equal to this, this is equal to this. So it will be 9x minus 7 is equal to 2, 9y minus 8 is equal to 28. Then here 9x is equal to 9, 2 plus 7, it will be 9. Then if I divide both sides by 9, we'll find out x is equal to 1. But in this expression 9y is equal to 36. Then you can see easily y, if I divide both sides by 9, I can see it will be 4. Then we'll find out here is x and y, it will be 1, 4. This is our others answer. But here 9x minus 7 is equal to 28. Okay, 9x minus 7 is equal to 28, and this equal to this. Okay, but 9x is equal to 28 plus 7. So you know that 28 plus 7, it will be 35, but x is equal to 35 over 9. So it is a fraction, it is not integer, so it is rejected. Our answer is xy is equal to 1, 4. Okay, so we'll find out others case 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 8, it will be 4 times 14, or 14 times 4 is okay. So I take this is equal to 4, this is equal to 14, and again I take this is equal to 14, this is equal to 4. So I can say easily here is 9x minus 7 is equal to 4 and 9y minus 8 is equal to 14. In others case I can say easily 9x minus 7 is equal to 14 and 9y minus 8 is equal to 4. And in this expression I can say 9x is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 it will be 11. So x is equal to 11 over 9. It is not integer, it is rejected. I rejected this value. And in this expression you can say 9x is equal to 21. 7 plus 14 it will be 21. It is also fraction. X is equal to 21 over 9. So it is rejected. I can't follow this value. We need the integer. Then others case I can see easily 9x minus 7 times 9y minus 8 is equal to 7 times 8 or 8 times 7. Now you can see easily here is 9x minus 7 is equal to 7. So 9x minus 7 is equal to 7 or 9y minus 8 is equal to 8. Then here you can see easily here is 9x minus 7 is equal to 8 or 9y minus 8 is equal to 7. But in this expression you can say 7 plus 7 it will be 14. So 9x is equal to 14. But here is x is equal to 14 over 9. It is not integer, it is fraction. So I can't follow this below. I rejected this below. And in this expression you can say 9x is equal to 8 plus 7. So it will be 15. It is also rejected because of that we are finding out here is a fraction. So here is no integer. So I can say easily our final answer is x y is equal to 1 4 and our other final answer is xy is equal to 7 1. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.